Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to update your iPhone. To keep your iPhone running smoothly and securely, you can update to the latest iOS versions, and here is how to do it easily. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi. Now, launch open the Settings app from your home screen. Also make sure that you have plugged in your iPhone into power. This will ensure that your phone won't die in the mid-update process. Now from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Under General, look for Software Update button and tap on it. Your phone will automatically check for updates. If there is an update available, you can then schedule an update or update your iOS device immediately. And right after you do that, your phone will restart and begin installing the update. So that is how you easily check and update your iPhone to the latest version. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.